Hey, what's going on, Boys and Girls Club? Coach Mohar back with another triple play body physical activity from the coming location for the Boys and Girls Club. So today what I'm going to be teaching you is something called a pistol squat. For the pistol squat, of course, you're going to first of all have to know how to do a normal squat. So looking at my heels, you got to be on your heels, not on your feet flat or on the balls of your feet. You want to make sure you are on your heels. Your feet are about shoulder width apart, and you want to go down until about your legs are parallel, so going completely straight. That is how you do a normal squat. But of course, a pistol squat is exponentially harder. It's much harder than just a normal squat, because for this activity, what you're going to be doing is you're going to be doing a squat, but with one leg. And the other leg you're going to have out in front of you, holding it with one hand. So it's a combination of flexibility, balance, power, because you're going to need the power to actually get yourself back up once you do go down on one leg. So of course the easiest way to practice for this, to really get used to this, is find an object that's about waist high, such as a fountain, put your leg on it, and then see if you can go down and back up. If you can practice doing that, you'll eventually get the power, and eventually maybe even the balance.
Now it should be noted, because of the whole sidewalk and where I was, it was kind of difficult to do this, but when you do this, you do want to make sure that you're being straight instead of to the side, so that when you go down, it's like your foot is the barrel of the gun, and when you go back up, it's like you're exploding, shooting the gun off.
The other way, of course, is without putting your foot out in front of you, to see if you can go down and back up on one leg.
Now if you notice, really put a big focus on my foot and how I'm keeping my center of balance exactly over my foot the entire way down and up.
Again, this is a lot of balance and a lot of power. Once you get down here, there's a sort of elasticity you can do right here, where you can kind of pop yourself back up. But again, this is very difficult. It might take a while to learn. It took me, say, a month or two back when I was in high school. So it might be kind of difficult for you all to figure it out, but I'm confident that you will be able to figure it out. So this is going to be my attempt of it. I'm not quite sure if I'm going to get it because I haven't done this in a while. But let's see if I can do this.
Failure. Success.
And there you have it. That's how you do a pistol squat. Good luck, y'all.